Hello, developers. We welcome you all to the introduction session of Developer Student Club. And we are very thankful to you all as you all have spared your valuable time to join us for the session. So, starting with an overview of the Developer Student Club, these are university based communities for the developers who are interested in Google Developer Technology. Here, we welcome all the graduates and undergraduate students to learn from their peers and grow. We, as a developer community, learn about the technological stuff to build solutions for business in different domains. Overall, Developer Student Club is a Google developer platform where we all can learn mobile development, web development skills, design thinking skills, leadership skills, and the most important thing is bridge the gap between theory and practice. So, for you all to have a deep insight into the functioning of this club, events, activities under this club, I would request Aditya, DSC lead, to continue the session. He'll guide you through all the steps, and at the end, you will be informed how to become a DSC member. So, get ready.
Hello, I am Aditya Biranga, DSC lead of MIT Academy of Engineering. So, okay. So, you all gathered here for info session. So, let's start. So, first of all, we will do one small question answer session. Very simple. Uh, I will ask some questions. You just have to enter yes or no. Okay. So, before beginning, let's see agenda. So I will introduce the DSC and you will get overall idea of DSC, what we do and how you will get benefit and all that stuff. Then we will having the talk by Amey Nerkar, Community and Invention. He will tell you how communities can impact and how community can helpful for you. Then I will guide you how you can become of this club for your growth. And then at last we will have the question answer session. So let's get started. So you have to type yes or no in comment. So it is a small activity. You just have to type, means very simple questions. You don't have to think so much. Just type yes and no in comment section. Okay. So first question. So do you want to learn ABC thing, but you don't know how to start? Here ABC thing can be anything, means web development, app development, any technical stuff you want to learn but don't know how to start. Is it happen with you? So let's type yes, no, your answer in comment section. So you have 10 seconds, then I will move to the next question. So type yes, no in comment section.
Yes, guys, type and tell us about yourself so that we will be able to guide you perfectly.
Do you want to learn ABC thing but don't know how to start? Okay, so I will move to the next question. So, do you ever think I am the only one interested in that ABC thing? ABC thing is anything which you want to learn. So, type your questions. Yes, no, yes, no. So, let's move to the
ABC can
next
be any
question.
skill you are interested in.
Do you think, what if I could discuss some idea with others? Any idea, ABC idea. So, do you think ever you think that it will, you should discuss something with others? So type your answer yes no. Okay, great. So we will move to the next question. Do you find it difficult to make a project in ABC alone? Do you find it difficult to make a project alone? Any project, ABC. So type your answers. We are waiting for your answer.
Yes, guys, please be fast. Do you want someone to help you throughout your project?
Great. So let's move to the next question. Do you find it difficult to form a team for any competition, hackathon or something like that? Do you find it difficult to make a team? So great. Let's move to the next topic. So, do you feel you are missing out an opportunity? Means, is it happen? It may be happen that you come to know that I could uh, means if I know competition, then I can crack it, but I didn't apply or something like. Did you miss any opportunity before? Did you feel that you are missing out opportunities, new opportunities? So type your question. Sorry, type your answer. Yes, no.
Yeah. If you feel that you don't know
Okay,
when these competitions start, you don't have any idea about them.
okay, great. So if your answer yes for any six of question which I just asked, so DSC MITOE is here for you. Okay, great. So let's see at DSC MIT what you can do. So you can learn the latest technology, not only Google technologies, but other than Google tech. So you can make project and that you can participate in hackathons and all that stuff. Google also organize and other hackathons also. So you can participate in constant. Then you can find a like-minded people here. Means this is the most important thing you can get in MIT OE. You means all the developers come under one roof. So we all can help each other and grow together. Okay. So this is one thing. Then you can receive guidance from the who are expert in that field. I mean, here are some people are expert in app development, some are expert in web development, some are expert in Google cloud technologies. So you will find every type of people here. So you can get a guidance, and you can also contribute in open source. And if you get such an environment, then your mind will fill up with good things, and you will get skills and the things which are more important for your life if you got a good environment. Okay, so let's have one uh, poll here. So what you have to do, you have to just go to the slido.com. In another tab, just open slido.com. Okay, and type this code DSC MITAOE. On another tab, go to the slido.com and enter DSC MITAOE as a code, where you can find one poll that is which is your dream company. In that, you have to just fill your dream company in which you want to work. Or okay, so just go to the slido.com, open another tab in your browser or in your mobile, go to slido.com and enter code DSC MITAOE. Okay, great guys. You might be struggling. What you have to do, you have to just open another tab, and that you have to type slido.com. They will ask you the code. In that, you have to just type the code DSC in small MITAOE, and you can give your inputs, and that will appear here. So let's go there and give your inputs. We are waiting for your inputs. Great, great. Google, DSC MIT. Yeah, great. Amazon, Microsoft, my own company as board leader. Great, yeah, great. I want my own startup. Great. Facebook,
That's
Capsule.
great.
Great. Those you okay. So we will wait for 30 seconds more. Then we will stop this. Okay. So if you want to give your input and then please go to slido.com, DSC MITAOE as a code and give your input. Great. MNC merchandise. Merchandise. Capgemini, Google. Yeah, Google is ranking. Then Microsoft. Then Amazon.
Top.
Okay, let's wait. Let's wait for a few seconds. I think Microsoft will become more Google. Yeah, most of the people want to work in Google. Great. Vote for Microsoft. Yeah, Alphabet. Yeah, Alphabet, the parent company of Google. Great.
Amazon also.
Yes, yes. Okay, great. So we will stop now. I think we will wait for 10 seconds more because some people are typing. Alphabet, Microsoft. Okay, great. Cisco, DSC, MIT, Mercedes from 1 to. Okay, great. So we will move forward. Okay. So most of you want to work in Google. Some of you Microsoft, Facebook, Alphabet, etc., etc. So let's move. So what you can do, so you will stay aware. Means if there is competition, internship, scholarship, so you will get to know about that all that stuff, and you can we will also organize some exclusive workshop, webinars. So you will get a required skill, and if you go get a required skill, and if you come in a DSC MI to AOE, then yeah, definitely it will help you to boost your skills, and ultimately uh, using that skill you can crack the companies which you have told already in previous post. So yeah, you will stay aware. Great. So what kind of sessions we generally organize? So we will organize hand-on workshop. In that we will assign you, means you can do practical things and you can get output, like means in last year we have organized app development workshop. So at the end of that workshop, people are able to get their own APK files. So such practical workshop are there. Then we will organize expert tech talk. So some expert will give you a tech talk so you can boost your skills. So we will also organize cloud study jams. So in that you will get to know about the cloud, specifically Google Cloud. Okay, so we will also organize boot camp, explore ML, uh, champion. In that you most of you get to know about machine learning, artificial intelligence, and we will also have a solution challenge. And in solution challenge, you can submit your project. So if your project solve the real world problem, local problem, then it will be recognized by Google, and you can also win a 3 days trip to New York. So the only thing to participate in solution challenge, you should have a very good project, and you have to be a member of club. Okay, so great. So let's talk about structure of a session. So workshop, we organize workshop on for beginners, in which you get to know about the basic things. Okay, so there are some workshop and sessions also for intermediate. So means in that you can get the deep understanding of a subject, any subject like app development, web development, machine learning. So we will also organize a workshop for intermediate people. Then we will form the teams, and you can form your teams and participate, make project and submit in solution challenge and any other constant, any other competition. Okay, so great. So these are the structure of sessions. So, so these are some common domain. Artificial intelligence, machine learning, full stack development, web development, and all that stuff. Then mobile development, specifically Android and Flutter. Then cyber security, open source, competitive programming, cloud computing, DevOps, GitHub, and all that stuff. We are not limited to only these are domains, but these are the domains in which we more focus on. We will also look on other domains also. Okay, great. So there is another poll for you all guys. So what you have to do, just go to that tab which you already opened. If you close that tab, then open tab interslider.com code DSC MITOE, and you will find this poll there. So go to slider.com DSC MITOE, and you have to answer this poll. Yeah, great. Everything is 100. Cyber security, great. Let's see. Just go to slider.com, enter DSC MITOE as a code in another tab. So we will do this activity for 1 minute maybe. So you may get enough time to give your input. Just open slider.com in another tab, code DSC MITOE, and give your input. We are waiting for your input. Let us know in which technology you are more interested in. Most of you are interested in machine learning and artificial intelligence. Nobody, mobile, yeah, mobile app development. Okay, 56%. So let's take mobile app development on a first rank. Vote for mobile app development. No, you can vote on your what you like. Don't vote for. Okay, great. So 71% machine learning, 60%
Machine
mobile app.
learning and artificial intelligence is still on top with 73%. Guys, vote.
Uh,
You have mobile app
I think
development, full stack web development, and so on.
I think mobile app development will come on first rank. I think so.
Yeah, it's giving
Yes,
competition to
so,
AI ML.
yes, because in mobile app development we have Flutter and
Yeah,
Android and many other machine learning. Okay, 10 should
Flutter
come.
is awesome.
Okay, cloud computing. Okay, in first we have artificial intelligence, machine learning, then mobile app development, competitive programming, full stack. Where and it's fluctuating. Okay, great.
Yeah,
Cyber security. Nobody interested in DevOps.
only 39%.
Great. So clear winner is AI and machine learning. Yeah. Wait. Mobile app development is getting more votes. Guys, go to
Yes,
the slider.com, enter DSC MITOE, and vote for your interest. Vote for mobile app development. Okay. So now we will close this activity. Okay. So let's move forward. So what are the benefits of becoming member? Right? Means you are means, if you don't know the benefits, then why you will join, right? So let's see some of the benefits for members also and for community also. Okay. So first benefit is improve your skill and get opportunity to learn and teach others. Means you can learn, improve your skills, and if you are an expert in any field, then you can also get an opportunity to teach others. Means this is a community, everyone is here, can give their contribution, so it will be beneficial for community. Okay, so you will get chance to improve your skill definitely. And as you see in GIF. Okay, great. That is only for fun. Okay, great. So second, get chance to feature your project on our social media channels, website, and all the official handles. Means if you build any nice project using Google technology or any other technology, if it is a really nice, then we will feature your project and you also. on our social media platform. We will also give you chance to post your blog from our blog channel. Okay, and okay, you will get publicity if you build a really great project, and it will helpful for community. Okay, so another benefit is you can get access to many resources provided by Google developers and other sponsors also. So there maybe you will get thousands of rupees credit, Google Cloud credit, and means there are many resources which you will get. You can get a Flutter course for free, means, which you will get in. You have to pay for that. You can also get a discount for your Google certification examination. So there are many resources you will get uh, for free or in discounted price. And yeah, it is a I think main benefit of becoming member. Okay, great. And lastly, you will get goodies and swag. I don't expect you to join DSC to get goodies and swag, because that is a secondary thing. Most important thing is you will improve your skill. But yeah, it is a good to have goodies and all that stuff. You will get that. But yeah, that is not a main thing. Come here to improve your knowledge and skills. Don't come here for just goodies. Okay. So there are many benefits. Means many. I can't tell you. Means if you came, you will get to know. But there are many. So uh, so okay. So I think most this is DSC is a community, right? So there is no means there, for community means Amay Nerkar is a right person to tell you what is community and how you can get a most of benefit from community. So I would like to call him on a webinar. So Amay Nerkar, he is the ex-DSC lead of MIT Academy of Engineering, and he is a founding member of DSC MITOE. Okay, so he is a social innovator based in Pune. He is yeah, he loves uh, make product and deploy it around the community. Means he like to contribute for community through his innovation. Okay, so I might hand over to you.
Hi guys, I hope everyone is safe and well at their home places. So, a warm welcome from everyone to this live session today, which is intro session to developer student clubs. I'm really glad that you guys are taking the things ahead, and we are having next batch of DSC MITOE. I hope we will do the more and better impact with the developer student clubs. So first of all, if you are having any questions regarding developer student clubs, start typing those in the comment section. I will try to cover a lot of your queries in my presentation, but if you have any other questions, then we will surely take it. And also, thanks for joining in this weather. And I know we know that this is the weekend and the only time when we can go outside. But yeah, still you managed to join. Yeah. So coming to the presentation, so basically starting with who am I? So you guys might be confused. So he's the ex-DSC lead. So why he is joining the session? So I am popularly known as Amay Infant, and you can find me with his name on all the social media handles or anywhere. So as of now, I'm working as a project manager at Bakun. So we are a UK headquartered organizations, and we are dealing with multiple clients, and we are a product-based company. So I'm associated with Developer Student Club since past almost 1.5 year, And now I'm a XDSC lead, but I am mentoring the DSC chapters actively. And also you can find more about me on amainvent.tech. Also, I'm Google Cloud certified associate engineer, and I'm also mentor for many things like Google SML of code, or you might take Google coding. So there I mentor the students for TensorFlow part. So I'm somehow good at machine learning and AI domain as well. And I also recently got featured by Google developers for the mobile apps which I developed for differently abled communities. So basically, I am more into all the domains like the cloud technologies, TensorFlow, or machine learning, then mobile development and web development. So I'm in these multiple domains. Uh, Also, I am fond of exploring the things, and I love to explore from moon to Mars and everywhere where it is possible to. So this is the popular cycle of innovation and building the products, is building, launching, learning, again ideating, building. So this is the continuous loop which we all know. But the main focus is how we can have impact the things with innovations and communities all around. So and how I'm here to tell these things at DSC intro session. So there shouldn't be any need of innovations and deployment at the introduction part, right? But there is a serious reason. So how can we do this part? Obvious answer will be with the developer student clubs. So there are multiple reasons why I'm saying why developer student clubs, which is by Google developers and not any other communities. Because as we all know, there are n number of communities or n number of clubs or chapters around us. But why only we should? It is the better platform. You can get better opportunities with developer student clubs. So, first of all, the obvious point is it is the exclusive community for students. So, it isn't something like this community will be having for any other members or some seniors or some experienced matured persons. No, this will be the only student community run by students and for the students, but obviously moderated by industry experts and by googlers. Also, the another thing is what DSC MITOE impacted in the last year. So different members of DSC MITOE were speaker at 7 plus DevFests. So we might be knowing what DevFest is. It is the global celebration. So where each GDG chapters, Google Developer Groups, which is for experts and industry members, organize DevFest, which is grand celebration of technology, and thousands of developers attend the celebration each year. So last year, DSC MIT members of DSC MITOE were there at 7 plus DevFests, not only in India but globally. So DSC MITOE has marked their flag globally by becoming a speaker at a different DevFest. Also, we developed 10 plus exceptional products which were almost deployed in the community. We were collecting feedbacks, and yeah, we also participated with these products in solution challenge. So we also tried to develop some new innovation things which were there for us. And also adding to this, we are having 1000 plus members impacted with TSC MITOE. So with this, we hosted different events like Cloud Study Jam, Flutter workshops for Explore ML facilitations. So in this, a lot of you guys have received swag. So if there is someone who has attended all the events of DSC MITOE last year, so I am sure he or she must be having enough number of stickers and swag, so that he can bribe someone with stickers. So almost for each and every event we receive swag or exclusive goodies from Google. So that's not only the price for you guys to join the events, but also these are the perks which are already there on your screen. So if you want to be part of this legacy, you can join the DSC MITOE for sure. Also, Lot of you are confused how to get the certified developer, how to get certification for your skills from Google. If you have all these questions, the answer lies with developer student clubs. The simple answer is last year almost 250 students from our campus received the certificate for completing Explore ML workshop. The certificate was issued by Google, and that certificate was received to each and every individual who completed the course successfully. Also, these things are there are much more things adding to these, and also a lot of you must have received the Google Cloud gifts to your home. So the process is very simple. You need to develop some products, then you need to interact and build the products on your own. So interact, build, and the last step will be to launch the things in the community. So this is very simple process which you can be part of with developer student clubs. So the process is to interact with community, learn with community, build the things and deploy it. So how DSC MITOE helps in this? We are having exclusive workshops and study jams for the exclusive members, and some are open to all as well. So in this you can interact with experts, you can interact with each other, and you can learn some new cool things. After this, coming to the building part, you are already well aware about the technologies by attending the workshop, and also the another part will be you will be much more better developer with the things which Google will provide you. So there are some exclusive contents which will be circulated for DSC MITV members, which you can be part of, and you can avail those things by becoming a member. So with these courses or those facilities, you can build your products with a great ease. And then for launching, we are having multiple things like DSC Solution Challenge or the show project showcases from where you can show your skills to the world. Also, adding to these, last year, this video is of me, which was featured on the Google Developers Global channel. So, as I mentioned, the Google Developers studio from Sydney and US has came to my home to shoot this product, and they did a detailed research on how the things are going here. And I got this opportunity because of the Google Developer communities only. So you can see this, uh, you can see how the things were going on there, and you can have a look at this video. Yeah, I guess audio is not there, right? Yeah, so we will just share this link in the comment section, and from there you can get the audio. Yeah, sorry for the glitch. Yeah, so the simple thing which I learned from the community is all the superheroes never wears the cape. So you can be the next superhero in your community by doing some cool projects. So as Aditya already mentioned some of his the superheroes in his the previous presentation, like Batman or Superman. So I know every one of you is founded of superheroes and will love them all. So what we can do is, so we can be the superhero for our local community. So we just need to build some cool things with the help of DSC MITO. And the best thing after this you can answer is, what's your moonshot? If you're having your moonshot clear, then we are always there to help you. So I'm signing off with this. I'm Amey Anerkar. So you can find me on all these social media platforms by with the same name, Amey Invent. And you can reach out for any queries on ameyinvent.tech. And I'm always there for anything, any new ideas, new projects, or any other things. Yeah, so I'm signing off. If you're having any questions, then please let us know in the comment section. I'll be here right back to answer all your queries. Thank you. Bye.
Thank you so much, Amay. It was really nice to hear this lot from you. I hope that all the audience will be motivated and they will really understand the need to be a member of the DSC community. Thank you so much.
Yeah, thanks.
Now, next, you have already heard from Amay, our ex DSC lead, about the club. Now it's time for you to have an introduction about the faculty coordinator, faculty advisor of the DSC MITAOE, Jayant Sir. Sir is a cloud technology enthusiast. He's selected as AWS Cloud Faculty Ambassador. He's handling Google Cloud and AWS Academy at MIT AOE. He's AWS Certified Solutions Architect Associate, and Sir has mentored 5 teams who have won first prize in SIH. And Sir is preparing and mentoring continuously students for various technical competitions like Smart India Hackathon, ACM, ICPC, KPIT Sparkle, and so much. And now I request Sir to please share your views.
Thank you, Simran, for such an introduction. And hi, guys. Hope everyone is doing well during this pandemic situation. And I'm very much thankful to Amit Nerkar for introducing Developer Student Club at MITOE. And again, I'm very much thankful to his team that they have conducted various events in last year, because last year as he's a DSC lead for the last year. We have various events conducted in the last year. So many participants are from college as well as from outside the college and overall for India. So I'm once again thankful to our DSC lead previous year, Mr. Amay Nekar and his team. Now this year we have the team lead as Aditya Birangal here, and his team Simran, Pratik, Adarsh, Kedar. These peoples are here for this year. So we are expecting such a nice experience like they are giving, like the previous team is given. So we are hoping for best from all these team members, and you all will get good things from our DSC student, DSC MITOE. And previously we have such events like Hashcode, Cloud Study Jam. Then there are some workshops on app development, then machine learning and AI also. So this year also we are planning to such events again. We are expecting much more contribution from others, participation from outside also. And I'm giving it's all the best for the team, TSC team. And this is the from my side. Thank you, everyone. And Simran, over to you.
Thank you so much, sir. Thank you
And
so much for this introduction. Now I request Aditya to continue.
You are very excited to become a member of DSC MIT. I'm means confident and you want to be a member of this amazing community, right? And you are like this, the girl which is here. You are excited like her, right? Okay. So let's. I will guide you how you can become a member. There is a small, very simple process which you have to follow to become a member. And one thing I would like to mention, anyone can be a member of DSC MIT. The college student means the college, I mean, not it's not restricted to only MIT Academy of Engineering. Anyone outside the MIT can also become a member of our club, and he can attend a workshop and get all the benefits. Okay, so let's start. How you can become a member? So there is very simple process. What you have to do, you have to just open, means not do it now, just pay attention. Open Google and you have to just type DSC MIT. What you have to type? DSC, Developer Student Club MIT AOE. you have to type in Google. If you type that, then the first result you will get the official website of DSC MIT AOE. Okay, so that you have to open. So this is a pretty website. You can means explore this website. There are the past events also list down below. The upcoming events will be listed there. So each and everything will be listed there. You will get to know about means overall idea of our club. Okay, so you can visit this website. Just enter DSC MITOE in Google. First result you have to click, and this is what you will land up. Okay, so here in this website you will get the button that become member. Just you have to click that, then you will redirect to the on this page. uh, so here you have to just click on join us. Very simple. Log in with your Google account. Use your official account if you are a student of MIT. If you are not student of MIT, you can use our Gmail account also. So no issues. Okay. So, but if you are student of MIT Academy of Engineering, then you have to be use MIT official mail. Okay, great. So then a small sign up process. You have to just enter your name, photo. That's simple. You have to then click on sign up, and once again you have to after means you have just made account on this platform. So you have to just click on join. Once again you have to click. Okay. So this is very simple process. That's it. It's nothing. Search DSC MITOE on Google. First result, click on first result, click on become member, follow steps, some common steps, and you will be a part of DSC MITOE, the great club of MIT Academy of Engineering. Okay, simple process. So how you will receive? Okay, how you will receive the updates and newsletter means if we are organizing any workshop, then how you will come to know? Yeah, right now. So if you become a member, then you will get email if you organize any event on Google Cloud. Okay, so you will get a notification on email on your email, right? If you become a member, you followed that process which I have said. DSC MIT on Google, first result, become member, blah blah blah. That's okay. You have to become a member. That is a must. You should be. So then only you will recognize as an official member. Okay. And we are also available on Insta, Twitter, Facebook, LinkedIn, and now YouTube also. So you have to just subscribe the channel. So if you miss uh, any workshop, then we will upload it on YouTube. Then you will get notification. So still now, if you didn't subscribe the channel, then there is the red button. You just have to press like Karimita and Minati says, means you have to just push. Okay. So, subscribe. It will help you. You will get amazing content here in following days. Okay. So subscribe, and you also type DSCMIT on Instagram, and you can follow up us on there also. And these are our yeah, official site and email. For any official communication, you can write us on DSC at the rate MIT Academy, MITAOE at the AC.in. Okay. That's okay. Great. Nice. Okay then.
Thank you so much, Aditya. Now it's time for to meet the team of DSC MIT AOE. So, guys, I think you are really very interested to know who are the team members for this session for this new chapter.
Simran,
Next slide.
can you please repeat? Actually, you was
Yeah,
not
sure.
audible for Simran.
Okay, sure. I'll repeat. So, guys, I think now you are really very interested to know about the team members of DSC MIT AOE for this chapter, for this new session. So, let me introduce you to each and every member. So, guys, I think now you are really very interested to know about the team members of DSC MIT AOE for this chapter, Next slide, please. So, as you have now, uh, Sir has introduced you about the DSC MIT AOE. Jayant Sir is our faculty advisor. I have already introduced Sir. Sir is AWS certified and has helped and mentored so many students regarding so many technical events like KPIT Sparkle, SIH, and much more. And Sir is also awarded as Best Student Club Coordinator. We are very glad to have you, sir. And next is Aditya, our DSC lead. Aditya is a technology lover, you can say. He's extremely passionate about technology. He's a self taught developer and loves Android, as you have already noticed that he was saying go for mobile app development, go for mobile app development. So, yeah, that's all about Aditya. Next. Next, we have Adarsh. Adarsh is associated with developer relationship. He's really self-motivated, confident, straightforward, and hardworking, enthusiastic person who also loves to learn new technology skills, gain experience, and he's really very punctual and keeps everything managed. Next. Next, we have Pratik. He's media head, the head behind all the graphic designer, photography stuff, and today also at the back end maintaining each and everything. And he loves capturing precious moments through the camera, as he has also stated. And he's interested in technological stuffs and exploring new things. Next.
So next we have Imran. Actually, he is anchoring today. She is anchoring today. Sorry. So she is extremely interested about learning the new technology and logical reasoning, and she is a content head or content developer of DSC MITOE, and she like writing and all that stuff, and she is very great in that, and she is also very means eager to learn new technology, right? Okay, so
Thank you.
next we have, okay,
Next, we have
yes, Simran, continue.
Yeah. Next we have Kedar. He's tech lead and he has lot of experience in the DSC community. He loves building simple but effective solutions and he's passionate about problem solving, technological stuff, and he's always eager to learn more and more. Yeah. So guys, we have introduced the team also. We have told you how to be see. Now, if you are having any kind of questions, any queries, just type it in the comment box. We are here to answer your queries. So just please, if you have
Okay,
any doubt,
before this, I would like to mention means the team which we have just introduced. That means this is a organizing team, but there are many members who are contributing, and there is a big opportunity for members also that we have told already. So it is not like these means we four are managing all the stuff. This is a community. We require your input, each and every input, each of you inputs. So each of you are important for us. So yeah, you can join this.
Yeah, so as I already said, there were thousands of members last year. So the member for the community is anyone who joins the workshops, join the amazing things, sessions, or build the products with the help of community. So everyone is part of the community, but there are some people who put efforts behind organizing such great stuff for you to handle the social media platforms, to design the content for this part, and obviously to get some speakers, industry experts for you. So those guys will be always behind the curtain, to get these things running. So those will be the core team members, and everyone who will be joining this amazing journey will be there as a member. And yeah, so in case you are performing excellent and you are developing some amazing products, so yeah, you can also be the part of the core team member, depending on your contribution and your interest.
Okay, great. So let's move to the Q&A session. So I request everyone to don't leave. We will end this session soon, but we will answer some most important questions. So let's get started.
So, our first question is, what about TensorFlow with Google Cloud?
Okay, so the thing is, see, TensorFlow and Google Cloud are some different technologies, but yeah, you can always integrate a TensorFlow in the Google Cloud, and you can deploy the things in the Google TensorFlow models in the Google Cloud. So there are some different facilities for that. So there is AutoML feature as well, which will not which will not require you to make a lot of coding in the ML part. There are also some features for deploying the TensorFlow algorithms to be deployed on the Google Cloud. Yeah, so these all things will get covered in the cloud study jams, and some things in Explore ML session as well. So yeah, when these sessions will be there, your team will be informing you. So keep following DSC MITAE on social media handle. So once these sessions are there, you'll always get notified, and I'm sure uh, this question will be answered in the whole year journey. So there will be different sessions which will answer your question, definitely.
So get if you want update regarding upcoming events, so you just have to enter DSC MITV on Instagram and just follow. Okay, the next question.
Yeah. Next is, would you tell something about the TensorFlow? How is it related to cloud?
Okay,
I think it's
so
already answered.
yeah, so it is already answered, so the question seems to be one and the same in the different ways.
Yeah. So, we can have next question then. I would like to attend events. How club could help me?
Okay,
Okay.
so as I said, you just need to follow the club on the social media handles, and also you for the important thing is, if you want to attend the events, then it will be quite easy because you just need to join for the event. But if you want some exclusive content, code labs, study materials, or any swags, stickers, or any other benefits out of that from Google's side, then you need to RSVP for each and every event on the page, the link where Aditya will, the lead and the team will be sharing to you. The main reason is the club can help you in attending the event and helping you with the expert industry attending and collaborating with you with industry experts. But if you want any kind of material or the Google resources, then you need to make sure that you are also RSVP for the event. So just make sure that the link which will be circulated to you, you are marking yourself as attendee over there. So that is very much important for this.
Okay, and I would like to add in that. So you just have to go that page. You have to, if you become a member, then you will receive the mail of the event which we are organizing. Okay, so you just click on that email link in that email, and you will redirect to the page where you have to submit. So for that, you have to if you become member, then you will get early access, and we will also posting the link in social media handles and all over. Okay, so it's very simple to attend the event. So next question.
Is member and community same?
Okay, no, actually it's not. So community is like a group. Community is a group of people, and member is a member means separate member. So
Okay, so
community and
community
member
is
is
made up
not.
of multiple members, and member is part of that community. And yeah, there is something different about the community. The community is where there will be, the best thing about the community which I learned is, in community there is no competition, so everyone is equal. Everyone is best in one or the another domain. So if someone is expert in machine learning, then the other person is expert in web technology. And the best part about this is, if you are good in machine learning, then you need web technologies or mobile technologies to deploy and showcase your results. If you are good in web technologies, you will need help from ML engineer to make sure that you are getting some perfect smooth things to display on your platform. So all the things go hand on hand, and that is the most beautiful part about the community. And community is always open to all. Anyone can be part of that community.
Just you
Thank
have
you.
to go to DSC MITAOE website. Okay. So I think there is no more questions. So we can conclude the session now, I think. So,
Yes, I think we had many important questions on the board. So, at last, thank you, Amay, for spending your time and introducing DSC and also answering various queries to us, to the all the participants who are now watching this session. And thank you so much to our parents for guiding us even for all the things. Thank you all the team members. I would also like to thank Tanmay, who made a really great video for us. Thank you so much. Tanmay is also a member of DSC MITAOE. I would like to thank each and every one of you for attending the event today. Thank you so much.
mm, okay. So okay, just one thing I would like to mention. Don't forget to subscribe, and don't forget to become a member, because if you didn't register in on that page, you will not recognized as an official member. You might have submit the form in which you are asked to membership form, which we have circulate in college. But addition to that, you have to re-register on the official website of DSC MIT one more time, for which already submitted the form, and for new ones, yeah, that's you can submit. So that is the one thing I would like to mention. Thank you.